Deactivating your account on Instagram is actually very simple, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to launch the Instagram application on your device. Once it's launched, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the hamburger at the far right of the top navigation. Once we click on it, we're going to see a search box. We're going to click into that search box and we're going to type deactivate. Now you can see where it says deactivation or deletion. You click on it. Now once you click on this, the dialog box that should open, it should be deactivation or deletion, and it will ask you to choose the Instagram account that you want to delete or deactivate. We're going to click on this Instagram account and we're going to choose if we want to deactivate or delete, but we're going to leave it at deactivate and then continue. It's going to give you a summary of the account and what you will lose, and you click on continue. And here it's going to ask you for a password and you're going to input your password and you click on continue, and then you can be able to finally deactivate your account. Now you need to understand that once it's deactivated, it's going to be temporarily unavailable for a few days, and you can also reactivate it. But if you delete it after a few days, you cannot get your account back. Now that's how to deactivate your account on Instagram. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.